The Insta360 Luna Ultra is an upcoming, premium pocket gimbal camera co-engineered with Leica. A full unboxing video of the Insta360 Luna Ultra has revealed the accessories you get in the box, like a carrying bag and a high-quality protective case. The Luna Ultra is expected to compete directly with DJI's Osmo Pocket 4P, particularly in the premium compact creator camera segment. Customers can now place a €50 deposit to reserve the Insta360 Luna Ultra before launch. Equipped with a large 1-inch 50MP CMOS sensor for the main camera and a 1/1.3-inch sensor. Supports true optical zoom, approximate 3.9x, with 6x lossless and up to 12x hybrid zoom capabilities. The camera head and gimbal may be detachable, allowing for remote shooting or mounting in tight spots similar to the Insta360 Go series. Both lenses support 10-bit color depth, Dolby Vision HDR. It also supports 10-bit iLog color and up to 14 stops of dynamic range. The images lists 8K recording as an option, and 4K recording at 240 frames per second slow motion, Deep Track 3.0 for AI-enhanced subject tracking. The Luna Ultra features a 2-inch rotatable OLED touchscreen with 1000 nits of brightness. Weighs less than 150 grams. Features a 1500 mAh battery rated for 150 to 180 minutes of continuous recording. Official global launch is expected in late May to early June 2026. The body-only price is confirmed by the CEO to be around $780, while a full creator bundle sits around $960. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.